Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home.
Welcome to your ultimate guide on how to identify and organically combat common pests that might be wreaking havoc in your beautiful garden. In this journey, we'll explore the sneaky critters that could be compromising the health of your plants, fruits, and vegetables. Fear not, for every pest we uncover, we'll discuss an organic, environment-friendly solution to tackle them. This is not just about maintaining your garden's aesthetics, but also ensuring the well-being of our planet. Ready to dive in? Let's start identifying these pests and learning how to send them packing. First on our list are aphids, sometimes referred to as plant lice. These tiny critters are pear-shaped and come in a variety of colors, from green to pink to black. They can be spotted clinging to the underside of leaves, sucking the life out of your plants, quite literally. Aphids are notorious for causing curled, yellowed, and stunted growth in plants. But fear not, you can organically eliminate these pesky pests. Try using a homemade insecticidal soap, a simple mix of water and mild dish soap. Alternatively, neem oil works wonders. Both methods disrupt the life cycle of the aphids, leading to their natural demise. With these organic solutions, aphids won't stand a chance. Next up, we have the slow but steady destroyers, slugs and snails. They might not look like much, but these slimy critters can cause a whole lot of damage. They feast on your plants, munching away at your leaves, fruits and vegetables, leaving behind a trail of devastation. But don't fret, you can fight back organically. One way to control these garden invaders is by setting up beer traps. Yes, you heard it right. Slugs and snails are drawn to the scent of beer. Alternatively, you can use diatomaceous earth, a natural powder made from tiny fossilized aquatic organisms. Sprinkle it around your plants, and it'll deter these slow destroyers. So remember, slow and steady might win the race, but not in your garden. Moving on, we have the ever-hungry invaders, the caterpillars. These seemingly innocuous creatures are actually voracious eaters, capable of causing significant harm to your plants. A caterpillar's diet primarily consists of leaves, and their relentless feeding can lead to defoliation, effectively stripping your plants bare. So how do we organically remove these ravenous pests? One effective method is using a homemade solution of water mixed with chili or garlic. The strong scent and taste of these ingredients are highly unappealing to caterpillars, deterring them from munching on your precious greenery. Simply spray this solution onto the affected plants and watch as the caterpillars begin to retreat. With this fiery solution, caterpillars will soon find other places to dine. Next, we're dealing with the ghostly pests, the whiteflies. These tiny, moth-like insects might look innocent, but they can wreak havoc on your garden. They suck the sap from your plants, weakening them and leaving them susceptible to disease. Not to mention, they produce a sticky substance called honeydew, which can lead to sooty mold. But fear not, we can fight back. One way to manage these ethereal invaders is by using yellow sticky traps. Whiteflies are drawn to the color yellow, and once they land, they're stuck, literally. Another method is spraying your plants with insecticidal soaps. These soaps are gentle on plants, but deadly to whiteflies. With these organic methods, your garden will be a no-fly zone for whiteflies. And there we have it, folks. We've journeyed through the world of aphids, slugs, snails, caterpillars, and whiteflies. We've tackled each pest with organic solutions, ensuring we protect our plants while respecting Mother Nature. Organic pest control isn't just kind to our environment, it's a crucial part of maintaining a sustainable, thriving garden. So let's keep those pesky invaders at bay the natural way. Remember, a healthy garden is a happy garden. Until next time, happy gardening.